Hey guys, it's YOT Dog here, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing video of my new Xbox Turtle Beach headphones. I know that they've been out for a while, but I still have been yet to own a pair, which it's kind of surprising. I know a lot of people have got them like right off the bat and whatnot, but you know, I keep it old school, so let's try and unbox these things and see what they're like. Can't wait to test them out on Xbox. I mean, because I've heard that these things are like top of the line. You can hear like really good in-game quality along with friend quality. So I'll set this down off to the side and continue unboxing it here. That's a bad spot. Okay, we'll keep it right there. Okay, so let's see what else we got here in the way of tape. I think that's it though. Okay, so I got those two tabs. So let's try and open this up here. My phone's going off, but that doesn't matter. Okay. So let's try and open these up better here. I mean, they really got this thing like well secure, this pair of headphones they do. There we go. Alright, so here we go. Here's the box. You can see the signature green Xboxness here. Let's pull them out. Ho ho ho. These are nice. Look at that. Whew, little manual. Later. Okay. This is nice. Oh, this is cool. Oh, whoa. Those pop out. That's cool. Oh. The beauty of the Turtle Beach. Oh, hey, come on. Ruining it here. Okay. And the beauty of the amazing Turtle Beach headphones. Oh, those look so nice and comfy. Here, I'll set the camera down. Check these things out, man. Oh, these are nice. These are signature nice. I don't know who's trying to get a hold of me, but it's quite annoying. Anyway. Holy cow, that is a lot of cable for one simple pair of headphones. My. Ooh, it's got a lot of nice FX stuff here. Oh, these are so comfy. Oh my gosh. This is nice. This is gaming comfort right here, folks. I mean, seriously. Total gaming comfort, my lord. Well, this is definitely quite a nice gift. I mean, these are some nice headphones. Quite a ridiculous amount of cable, though, I must say. Quite interesting. Nice FX stuff here. I'm not sure exactly what all this thing does, but let's see here. Chat volume, game volume, and no way. These things even have a bass boost. Now that is cool. Can't focus. Never mind. Okay. Well, guys, this has been YOT Dog. The unboxing video for Turtle Beach headphones. Be sure to give this video a like or whatever. Guys, this has been YOT Dog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.